Hi, I'm Max. I'm the shop manager and instructor with the Academy of Art University's School of Industrial Design in San Francisco. Normally, we use our shop to make models of products, cars, jewelry, furniture, and toys. Now, we're changing gears to create face shields, which can be used in addition to a mask to help stop the spread of the virus. This is designed by a Swedish firm called 3D Verkstan, which we modified with validation and advice from local healthcare providers to make sure that it works properly. We use our water jet cutter to cut polycarbonate sheets, and we 3D print the frames. These snap together for a comfortable fit, which is adjustable with a rubber band. During this time of crisis, we're asking people in our community to come together in solidarity with our frontline workers to help produce as much personal protective equipment as possible. Our staff will assemble, sanitize, and distribute the face shields where they're needed most. Each one that you create will make a world of difference for the people using it in the field. Thank you so much for stepping up to help us flatten the curve right here in the Bay Area.